Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Oscar Mexicano. I'm the customer service manager at Danzinger, Guatemala. And today I'm going to talk about Floresta production. Uh, right now, I'm here in one of the greenhouses of the Floresta production. Actually, I am in the Potos Hawaiian crop. And I can tell you that the Floresta production keeps the standards of the bedding annual and perennial protocols. And the Floresta is a crop or a production or a project that um, starts with tested stock. All the starter material is tested before planting, and it's tested for any pathogen. This protocol is kept during all the production cycle, so we make sure that all the cuttings are clean for any pest, disease, or viruses. All the production of Floresta is done inside greenhouses like we do with annuals and perennials. As you can see right now, we are in one greenhouse that has walls, screen walls, and everything is new greenhouses. Everything is automated. So the irrigation is under control, the shades, the curtains are under control. So everything, the conditions are for the cuttings to grow as best as possible. In the Floresta production or project, we have more than 20 crops in the farm and around 150 varieties available online. All the inventory that we have in the farm, it's live online, and we have a dedicated team in the farm that goes inside the greenhouse every week to revise and confirm the availability that we have online. So you can rely on those numbers to place any order. I will turn the camera around to show you a bit some of the crops that we have in the greenhouse. For example, in this side of the greenhouse, we have some peperomias, and this greenhouse, it's one kind of recent greenhouse planted to start producing for next year, for 2025. And some of the crops that have some leaf variegation, in the beginning, we do selection of the crops, trying to make sure that all the pattern of the leaf is stable. And so we make sure that when the plants are productive, they will produce cuttings with the expected phenotype of the variety, and the customer will have the final product as they want it. Okay, so another important thing that I can share in the Floresta project or production is that the greenhouses are exclusive for Floresta for indoor crops, and the supervisors and people that help in the production, some come from the bedding and annual production. They were supervisors there, and now they are here, so they are used to know and work with protocols. Right now, we are almost in 4 years with working with Floresta, having the experience here in Guatemala to produce the crops. So we have a lot of knowledge now that can allow us to plant the stock in a specific location with shade, with no shade, in a specific pots, some big containers, some smaller. It depends on the needs of the crop. Some even in hanging baskets, so we know that the productivity is better. Here, for example, we are in the area of Phytonias. Phytonias is a great crop that we produce year-round, and we have orders all year around. So we need to keep the stock in the best conditions and renew it frequently, so we have the best cuttings available for customers. In this side, I will turn the camera around. We also have more potos, the Hawaiian variety, some ivies, and also some Dieffenbachias. That is one of my favorites. I can tell you also that all the production and the allocation for harvest is done specifically by customer. So each customer it's assigned a specific bench for harvest. The harvesters know where they need to harvest, and also they keep track all the way till the customer receive the cuttings. Everything is packed in a specific cold rooms that are near the greenhouses, so the cold chain is kept stable. And the one question that always I get is, what about the other bedding and annuals and perennials? If they share boxes and these kind of things, and I can tell you no, the packing house is different from annual and perennials. And the only moment that Floresta and annuals share space is when the truck comes to the farm and they are delivered to the airport. And this is more or less what I can share. We are ready for the season. Availability is online. And if you have any questions, please write them down. I hope you enjoyed the small video, brief video, and we'll be happy to answer all your questions as you want it. So thank you. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.